do it more than 5 minutes, maybe 20, 30. So, we'll get started.
Ты встаешь, и головы твоей нету. Опа, опа, опа.
Ну, знаешь, нужно прям дальше поставить его, чтобы на видео они не пошли.
А они не пойдут, ты драку снимать.
Я просто еще чуть-чуть дальше поставить его.
Перемонтажировать.
Немножко кажется, будет съедаться очень сильно, когда я понимаю, что...
Привет.
А вот так, понимаешь, будет в этом? Ну, так себе. Ну, представь. А вот так. Жарко, так, так как есть. И вот катушка, ну, для кого? Ну, точка. Хорошо, да. А так? Hello everybody, today we warm up our leg for speeds and how to stretch them without pain with good warm up. So firstly what you start to do, we take our knees and push down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking this side and open hip and back. So 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. Try to take our back and open in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try to sit in this position. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and try move more. Move work, take 2 legs. Take breathe out and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So amazing work. I hope that you like this stretching. You can do it on another leg and more do that. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Не помню, решила, что на видео будет не очень видеть. Так, спать сесть. Угу. Так вот. Угу. Hello everybody, today we will do this split and how to stretch your legs for that split. I will show you now some exercises, but you must do it more than 5 minutes, maybe 20, 30. So, we will get started from this position, taking our leg and starting to sit. So we get sit and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, 6, working with the back leg, so take it 1, 2, 3, 4, catch leg and push them, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take stretch the leg and going down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slowly slide and begin the position. Take 2 legs together, slowly breathe out and slowly take stretch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it. Subscribe and take your like. So, bye bye. Я учила и не доучила.
Так, как уже все еще?
Ну еще один. Еще. А, ты или 2? 2. Hello everyone, today we will be stretching our legs and warm up our body for recap. So stay with me and we will get started. So first exercise, we will get seated in this position. Take our right leg on the floor and left leg go behind our knees. So like that. Take our breath. Take our right elbow in our left knee and pushing and stretch. The stretch put your back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe more. After that, take this leg on this side and we'll slide from that position. So stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we move to the right side. Take our feet and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we will move left, then our hip, and stretch in this position. So, good work. After that, we will take the next exercise. Take a breath. Slowly breathe out and go down slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe and take me likes and follow me. So, bye bye.